to notice behind me here is this fine gentleman. Now, that is hand embroidered with the machine. There is no computer controlling that. That is his artwork. Okay, we are documenting this journey to a cricket game. And this will be my first cricket game. And this is Asaf and Naim. So we're gonna get on a rickshaw, we're gonna go to the bus, and away we go. And what's your namki?
Nur.
Okay, he's our chauffeur. We're getting close to the bus stop. You can see all the buses here. Wave to America. America, hi America. All right, so this is the way a lot of Bangladeshians. It's very loud. All right, we have arrived at the stadium, and I am currently in there's a massive crowd here. There is not one white person in this entire crowd. It is me, Marco. All right, so these are all my kids. Say hi. Hello. Yeah, the kids coming to the cricket game. Okay, so you bought Dynamite?
We are Rangpur Riders.
I am wearing the Dynamite hat, and he is a girls on the run guy right now. He has no idea what that is, but I so do not want to be famous. I don't want to be famous ever in my life.
You have to be selfie, one selfie.
Okay, the natives are definitely getting restless. This is like this is Crosby. Yes, the name Crosby, and she is the second Christian that I have met here in Bangladesh. And what do you want? What's your goals in life?
First, to be a good human. Second, be a doctor.
Oh, she's going to be a medical doctor. Thinking about studying in Canada.
Yeah.
Here with yummy pineapple. Yeah. What's your namki? Namki?
Muhammad Ali, MD Ali.
Oh, this looks so good. Look at this. I have a cameraman now. Oh, look who's there.
Cow.
Oh, cow. Yeah. Cow.
وهو على كل شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم أيكم.
We are now walking down the road here in this quaint little village. We are going to fly the bird. Salam alaikum. Malikum. Malikum.